Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, let us start today's lesson at page number 66. Lesson is already Apama, a Himalayan story by Padma Hajmadi. We have to read from page number 66, para first. Understand this, he said, I have no objection to your laughing about it at all. But if you have a grain of sense in your heads, don't do it in front of the disciples. Once they have gone, you can laugh at me as much as you like. It will make no difference. But while they are here, remember they have come a long way and respect their faith. Respect their faith. Yes, students. अंडरस्टैंड इसी है उसने कहा ये समझो आई हैव नो ऑब्जेक्शन टू योर लाफिंग अबाउट इट एट ऑल मुझे बिल्कुल कोई ऑब्जेक्शन कोई एतराज़ नहीं है कि आप कितना हंसोगे बट इफ़ यू हैव अ ग्रेन ऑफ सेंस इन योर हेड्स इफ़ यू हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ विजडम अगर आप में थोड़ी दानाई है ग्रेन मीन्स लिटिल बिट अगर आपके दिमाग में थोड़ी भी सोच है दानाई है डोंट डू इट इन द फ्रंट ऑफ द डिसिपल्स ये हंसना मत करो मेरे सामने जो डिसिपल्स हैं उनके सामने या उनकी मौजूदगी में Yes, don't do it in front of the disciples. Don't do it in the presence of my disciples. Once they have gone, जब वो गए होंगे, you can laugh at me as much as like आप मुझ पर इतना हंस सकते हो जितना कि आप पसंद करोगे It will make me no difference. उसे मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगी. But while they are here, जब वो यहाँ होंगे, remember याद रखना they have come a long way. वो बड़ी दूर से आए हैं and respect their faith and respect their belief और उनका जो belief है यकीन है उस पे उसका एहतराम करो इज्जत करो Yes students the laughter died out means God reduced जो क्या था वो कम हो गया and there was quite after that उसके बाद silence हो गई खामोश हो गई having performed the necessary rites of purification जब उन्होंने पाकीज़गी के ज़रूरी राइट्स यानी रसूमात अदा किए एंड वर्शिप और पूजा पाठ किए अपॉन मॉम सैट क्रॉस लेग्ड अंडर द नीम ट्री एट द बैक ऑफ द हाउस एंड सॉ हिज डिसिपल्स वन बाय वन अपॉन मॉम बैठ गए क्रॉस लेग्ड मतलब हो गया दायां पाँव बाएं पाँव की बाएं लेग की जानिब और बायां पाँव जो है वो राइट लेग की जानिब कहाँ बैठे वो एट द नीम अंडर द नीम ट्री के नीचे एट द बैक ऑफ हाउस मकान के पीछे मकान के पीछे यस स्टूडेंट्स वो मकान के पीछे बैठ गए हाँ saw his disciples one by one उसने अपने जो disciples हैं उनको एक एक करके देखा they came walking across the courtyard वो पैदल आ गए या चलते आ गए courtyard के पार शाबाश a mother with her baby एक माँ अपनी बेबी के बच्ची के साथ an old farmer एक बूढ़ा किसान a cripple एक हैंडीकेप्ड, हाँ, एक माजूर, ए यंग कपल, एक जवान जोड़ा, ए हैंडफुल ऑफ चिल्ड्रन एंड सम चिल्ड्रन। हैंडफुल मीन्स मुट्ठी भर, सम, ऑल ऑफ देम ब्रिंगिंग ऑफरिंग्स ऑफ मिल्क, सभी ला रहे थे, ऑफरिंग्स मीन्स गिफ्ट, गिफ्ट्स ऑफ मिल्क एंड कोकोनट्स, और कोकोनट एंड वाइल्ड हनी, और जंगली शहद, एंड राइस, और वो क्या ला रहे थे, और उन्होंने राइस भी लाई थी। आई अम्बापाम ब्लेस्ड ईच ऑफ देम, अल्लाह अपामाम ने हर एक को आशीर्वाद दिया, स्पेशली द लिटिल वन, खुसूसी तौर इनको, छोटे छोटे जो थे उनको, चिल्ड्रन, मेड द क्रिपल सिट नेक्स्ट हिम, जो क्रिपल था उसको अपनी साथ बिठाया, एंड रेस्ट अ वाइल, और थोड़े देर आराम करवाया, सपोर्ट टू द फार्मर, किसान के साथ बात की, एंड स्माइल्ड एट द यंग कपल, और मुस्कुराए जो जवान जोड़ा था, विद अ बेनिडिक्शन दैट नन ऑफ अस हैड एवर सीन बिफोर, जो हम में से पहले कभी नहीं देखा था, हाँ, none of us, watching fascinated from the kitchen window, हम देख रहे थे, वॉचिंग देख रहे थे, अट्रैक्टेड चार्मड फ्रॉम द किचन विंडो, किचन विंडो से, हैड नेवर सीन बिफोर, ऐसा हमने कभी नहीं देखा था। oh दैट नाइट, उस रात, आफ्टर द डिवोटीज हैड लेफ्ट, जब डिवोटीज वो रुखसत हो गए थे, डिवोटीज मीन्स डिसाइपल्स, पीपल्स, मुरीद वगैरह, एंड अपा माम हैड कम, अपा माम अंदर आ गए थे, when everybody had gone, जब हर कोई had gone to bed, हर कोई वो सो गया था, and the house was silent, और पूरा मकान जो था खामोश था। I mentioned it to my mother, author says, I mentioned it to my mother, मैंने अपनी माँ से तज़किरा किया, क्या तज़किरा किया, that I had decided अपा माँ was a real सन्यासी after all, कि अपा माँ जो है वो रियल सन्यासी हैं, after all means anyway, किसी भी तरह वो एक रियल सन्यासी हैं। 2 days later, next para, yes, 2 days later, 2 दिन बाद, after 2 days, my aunt's earrings were missing, मेरी aunt के जो earrings, बालियां जो थी जो कानों में लगाती हैं, they were lost, they वो गुम हो गई थी, so was अपा माम भी गायब, and we have heard, or we have not heard of him since, तब से हमने उसका कुछ नहीं सुना। Yes, students, let us try to do, let us, yes, let us try to do theorem questions. Yes, students, who was Appa Mom? Who was Appa Mom? How was he related to the writer? You know, Appa Mom was an uncle to the younger generation. Yes, he had become a sannyasi since the writer belonged to the younger family members. So Appa Mom was an uncle to him, to uh, uncle to her. Yes, question number second. Why did the uncles make fun of Appa Mom? How did he react to this? To the teasing. Yes, Appa Mom claimed to be a sannyasi. The uncles made fun of him because they found nothing of sannyasi wood in him. He didn't he didn't care for their teasing. He kept cool and enjoyed his way of living. Oh yes, students. Why? Third question. Why was the writer confused whether Appamam was a sannyasi or not? The writer was confused whether Appamam was a sannyasi or not because Appamam enjoyed life very much. He took away others' things. He also gave the things uh, he took away to others in need. Yes, question number 4. What did Appamam do when he had nightmare? How did the nightmare become a game for the youngest generation? Yes, students. Once upon once upon mom had a nightmare. He started uttering some senseless words. He started dancing, like a dervish. Dervish, a Muslim saint, around the bed. The grandfather threshed him to silence. Yes, his nightmare became a game for the younger generation. You know, the children they always imitate things. So his nightmare became a game for the younger generation. It was named it was named इस गेम का नाम रखा गया अप्पा मामस नाइटमेयर अप्पा मामस नाइटमेयर अप्पा मामस नाइटमेयर it was named as Appa Mama's Nightmare, with one playing grandfather, other Appa Mom, and the smallest ones as the cats. You know the cats were not there. That were not there. Yes, next question. Who were Appa Mom's disciples? Presently you read about you read about them. Yes, Appa Mom's disciples were colorful. Colorful means they were in different dress. They were from different groups. Yes, Appa Mom's disciples were colorful. They included a mother with her baby, an old farmer. An old farmer, a cripple, a young couple, a handful of children. They had come to they had come to have his blessings and darshan. Now next question, please. What was the reaction? What was the reaction of the family on learning that Appa Mom had disciples? Oh yes, their reaction was amazement and disbelief. They were critical. They wondered how he could have disciples, how he could have disciples, how he could have disciples. When nothing of sannyasihood was present in him, so they took him a fake sannyasi. Now, why did Appa Mom tell the family members not to laugh at him in front of his disciples? Appa Mom told the family members not to laugh at him in front of his disciples. They have a faith in him. Their laughing in their presence would be disrespecting. Yes, students, question number 8. What made the writer decide Appa Mom was a real sannyasi? Do you think she subsequently changed her opinion of him? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, students. The arrival of the disciples for Appa Mom's darshan and blessings under the neem tree made the writer believe that Appa Mom was a sannyasi. She conveyed this decision to her mother. After 2 days, Appa Mom and Aunt's earrings were found missing from the house. The story does not tell us if the writer changed her opinion or not. She might have changed her opinion after the theft of the earrings. Dear students, let us perform the reference to the context part. Yes, when the younger uncle pretended to adjust hollow, he admitted with a chuckle that it was always a little odd. Who is the he being referred to above? You know certainly it is Appa Mom. The word he is being referred to Appa Mom. B part. What is a hollow? You know it is a ring of light paint around the forehead of a holy person in a religious drawing. It is a religious drawing, yes. teapot. Why did the younger uncle adjust his hollow? You know it was in the wrong position. Now, second, it was when you asked him where he had been. While he had been there to discover Appa Mom's creative talents. Yes, question A. What does the writer mean by Appa Mom's creative talents? He means Appa Mom's fabricated explanation and stories. Or B. How did Appa Mom display his creative? Display means show. How did he display? How did he display his creative talents? You know, he gave different versions of things to satisfy the different sorts of his disciples. Now, third question. That night after the devotees had left and Appa Mom had come in, when everybody had gone to bed and the house was silent, I mentioned to my mother that I have decided Appa Mom was a real sannyasi after all. What made the writer conclude Appa Mom was a real sannyasi? On seeing his disciples under a neem tree, one day the author concluded Appa Mom was a sannyasi. Yes, did the writer change her opinion of Appa Mom? Why or why not? Firstly, she took him a sannyasi. Later, when she found Appa Mom and the artist earrings missing, he might have changed. She might have changed her opinion. Now, something about character study. Uh, Given below are some of the characters in the story. Appa Mom, list their qualities and quote evidence from the story to support your answer. Dear students, now characteristics of grandmother. We have qualities here: religious, gentle, caring. She was a religious lady. You know, she expounded or explained the Bhagavad Gita, serving as equal portions of rice and philosophy at every meal. She was gentle. You know, she was very curious about. She was very curious or careful about the maid servant Kapoor. Uh, Caring. She was caring because she showed concern to the maid servant Kapoor. She treated her with kindness. Similarly, she treated Appa Mom with great care. Likewise, about grandfather. Some hints, qualities here are shrewd, just, critical. Let us try to clear why was grandfather shrewd. You know, he was the principal of the college. He could laugh. Uh, he could laugh. He could laugh uh, with the children or others, but sometimes he could he he paid them with justice. Uh, how can we say he was just? Oh, he liked the rights for being critical for being critical. Uh, how was grandfather critical? He criticized Appa Mom for his nightmares. Likewise, uh, Appa Mom. You know, Appa Mom was in a city, pretended he was lazy, he was funny, he was unreliable, he was jealous. Now let us take some. How was Obama ascetic or sannyasi? When he was asked where he was for so many days, he replied he was doing meditation in the hills or in the mountains. He was lazy. Oh, he found chairs comfortable. He found meals provided by others or dress provided by others comfortable. Oh, how he was funny. He did nothing good to himself or to others. How he was unreliable. He stole things from the house. Uh, Similarly, how he was generous. He gave away the things he took from others. He gave these things to needy people. Yes, students. Now let us give some attention to the vocabulary. Here are phrases given on one side. We have to provide meaning. Put on one's best behavior. It means to pretend to have one's best behavior. To set off short of. To set off short of means to be unwilling to do something because it may involve a risk. A good support means to be generous, especially in a difficult situation. Similarly, cost aspersions means make unpleasant remarks on somebody or someone. Rise to one's own defense means to support oneself. To support oneself. Support oneself. Or to support oneself against criticism, etc. etc. Or similarly, not here the end of something means not here that a situation is no longer existing. Similarly, in years, it means a long time. Yeah, in a long time. Not have a grain of sense in one's head. It means not to have slightest wisdom, etc. etc. Now we have to put up these phrases in the blanks, in the given below sentences. Though Rama was found guilty of murder, his evidence has cost aspirations on the verdict delivered by the judge. Similarly, second, I was delighted to meet Mohsin. I hadn't met him in years. Yes, students. Third, it was Christmas time and expecting the visit of Santa Claus, the children were putting on their best behavior. Similarly, the sight of the bear in her tent made her rise to her own defense or rise to her own defense. After a Aftab is a good support and takes the merciless teasing of his friends without losing his temper. Similarly, 6. Though Sarah may not have a grain of sense in her head, whenever anyone criticizes her husband, she immediately jumps to his defense. I would suggest you go and help Tina prepare lunch as she has no help. Otherwise, you have to put in the words, not hear the end of the preparing lunch. Uh, I think you do stop short of helping others. Otherwise, you wouldn't have left the poor girl alone in that lonely house. Now, next in the story, there are certain words and phrases uh, which are creatively to introduce humor. Below are some phrases we have to express their meaning in plain words or simple words. Yes, wore it with such an You know, it means put off with insulting words. War or put off with the insulting words with a feeling of self-importance. Similarly, there is overflowing with uncles and aunts. It means having too many uncles and aunts. Yes, a floating population of other relatives. It means a large number of other relatives moving in and moving out or moving from place to place. Likewise, an occasional nephew or a third cousin. It means a nephew or a cousin visiting only at times. जब कभी कभी आता है. Yes, students. Similarly, this man who was supposed to have renounced all its pleasures, here it means Appa Mom, who as a sannyasi was expected to live a disciplined, simple life without luxury. His hollow was always a little awry. It means Appa Mom. His sannyasi like behavior really wasn't wrong. It means it was a wrong question. Telling stories taller than themselves. It means telling incredible stories. Now, students, let us go to statistics. Uh, Here you have four words: misdemeanor, disappear, unpredictable, irrelevant. You know, miss is added to demeanor. Similarly, this is added to appear. On is added to predictable. Likewise, it is added to irrelevant. Irrelevant. These miss or this or an or if. These are prefixes. Likewise, we have to add these prefixes to the words given below. But these must be suitable. We have adventure and miss, it becomes misadventure. Likewise, belief, disbelief, apprehension, misapprehension, behave, misbehave, manage, mismanage. Yes, rational, irrational, reconcilable, irreconcilable, regular, irregular, fortune, misfortune, agree, disagree. Or likewise, place, misplace, or displace, both are correct. Ability, inability, or disability. Relevant, irrelevant, abated, unabated, approve, disapprove. Yes, redeemable, irredeemable, irredeemable, advantage, disadvantage, construe, misconstrue, abridged, unabridged, array, disarray. Yes, we have some time left. Let us try to do the listening activity. You have to listen a brief extract from Kapil Deva's autobiography given at last page. Then you will have to answer these questions. Kapil Dev got his first break in 1978. Kapil Dev was invited to join the Indian team going on a tour to East Africa. The problem Kapil faced in joining the tour was that he didn't possess a passport. Kapil's mates made fun of him because he could talk only about cricket. When Kapil wore the official sweater, he was asked to remove it. So he decided to earn the right to wear the sweater one day. Now something about adjective clause. You know, adjective clause is they perform the task of an adjective in relation to a noun or pronoun in a sentence. That is it qualifies the noun or pronoun that they follow. Uh, Now we have exercise. Pick out the adjective clauses from the following sentences. Also, you have to encircle the noun or pronoun they qualify. Let me take the first sentence. First sentence is that the house that we live in has been demolished. Yes, the house it is noun. It is qualified by the adjective clause that we lived in. That we lived in. Similarly, second sentence. This is the same book that I read 10 years ago. That I read 10 years ago is adjective clause, and it has qualified the noun the same book. All that glitters is not gold. Here pronoun all is qualified. And the adjective clause is that glitters. That glitters. Similarly, Rahul, who lives next door, has finished his BA. Rahul is noun, and the adjective clause is who lives next door. Similarly, in fifth sentence, Ali and Akbar, Ali and Akhtar, who live next door, are good friends of mine. Ali and Akhtar, these are the nouns, and they are qualified by who live next door. So who live next door is adjective clause. The lady who opened the door said you were not at home. The lady is noun, and the adjective clause is who opened the door. Haldiram, who makes sweets and savory, is a very rich man. Haldiram, noun, adjective clause, who makes sweets and savory. The painting in next sentence is noun. Adjective clause is which was displayed at the Triveni Art Gallery. In similarly, sentence number 9, the man is noun. Adjective clause, who is wearing the blue shirt. Last 10, the plane, it is noun, which crashed near Ambala, is adjective clause. So thanks to you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.